Hi guys, I just want to explain something very quick concerning this trade. I've already explained something about this initially, and um there is something again I want to make clear about this. You understand? So I've told you guys the reason why I took this trade, and this is the reason why I took the trade, and how it went. Everything I've explained that one earlier. You get, but I want to talk about. I'm using this video to call on 10 trade actually to do something about this their rules, because how on earth I will not make more than 25% in a day out of 100% profit target. um it's not making any sense at all. So now let me just still explain this again. This is my first reasons. This is my first reasons why I took the trade after this um strong engulfing candle. We had one at this place. You understand? This is just like M pattern. Then and then we had one at this place. The pullback of it, we had another one. You understand? Then if we go to 5 minute time frame now, you see this thing as a support zone, a good support zone. You understand? And it's trying to break this new high here at this place. So because of this massive engulfing candle at this place, it break the new high and give us this theory candle, this theory bullish candles. You understand? So I mark out this one. Resistance becomes support at this place. I mark out the second one that is in the middle, and I mark out the 50% level. I've already told you people that one how to mark it, and it gave us a perfect signal. And then um my first confirmation on it is this one. This one mark it to be first touch. Do you get? Why this one mark it to be second touch? Marking this one to be second touch. So when price is about to approach this place, I made screenshot that time. Here is it. Just wait. Just hold on. So I did not make the screenshot. So when price is about to reach that level before, I made that screenshot, and this is where the trade is still running. This is where I entered early. You understand? I actually set a limit, buy limit, and it activated me. You understand? So now, that was and then this is first touch, second touch. And then this is a clear consolidation. You know, this in market we are in. The market is consolidating, and we are all buyers and sellers are all making money at the same time. You understand? You buy when it is at the resistance, is at the support zone. You sell when is at the resistance zone. You understand? So now, that is all. And then told you guys something about USDJPY. You understand? USDJPY, that we are waiting for USDJPY for long at this place. We are waiting for USDJPY for long at this place, and USDJPY refused to activated us. Do you get? And it's 8 pip away. 8 pip in currency pair is not a small something. Do you get? So it's just 8 pip. See it very well. 8 pip away. 8 pip away from our this thing. 8 pip away from our limit. It not activated us and went in our favor. Look at it here. Look at it here. This is a good. My TP would have been more than what when the thing took me out, but due to their loss, and I could not wait. So I just have to set it like that. So this is the gold we took. And then look at the perfect picture of what I'm saying here right now. So now this is the M pattern, the W pattern I'm saying at break break this high and give us this pullback did not even okay it reach boom. So this is what happened before it went up. This is what happened before it finally went up from this zone. You understand? So this is what happened before it finally went up. You get? This is what happened before it finally went up. And then having this thing to be 1, 2, then 3 in trend line, then resistance becomes support. You understand? So that explain everything. And then let me just tell you guys something very quick. Look at how I mark it using these two. Just mark it out. Mark it out. Mark it out. Exactly this thing. You understand? Exactly this thing. So what happened? It activated it immediately and went up. You understand? So now I would want you guys to be waiting for what sell opportunity at this place again. Sell opportunity at this place again, at this zoom again. And then your SL should be above this resistance zone. Should be above this resistance zone. Then I was telling you guys that before we can see a massive move again, it's whether gold break to the upside or the downside. If we break to the downside, this should be where our TP is. Our TP will be at this level. You understand? But if we break to the upside, you know how it is. That is massive. That would be very, very massive. You get that would be very, very massive. So going to USDJPY. USDJPY. Look at what I said earlier, but it remains small. It did not activated us and went in our favor. And then this is where this their lot size of a team pay me most. Now today like this, just like it's because of them I did not increase my lot. You understand? If not, imagine me now. Imagine even if it's 1K account, daily drawdown is 6%. You understand? Overall drawdown is 9%. So imagine me now increasing this lot to 0.2 is $50. I would have made just 50. That is, I would have made just 50% of this account today. How can I even use 0.01 on on 1K account, and I'm just starting it. You understand? I'm just starting it. Not that I have a drawdown in it. No, I'm just starting it. You understand? So what I was even planning to use before is 0.06. 0.06. So I called them yesterday because I actually want to buy this account for one. I just want to try something. There is a strategy I was building. You understand? I'm building a strategy, and then I'm yet to perfect the strategy very, very well. So I want to use it in a live account so that I'll know how my emotion is. And right now they are doing discount. So I say, oh, instead of $43 is 40 instead of $43 is now $34, $34.4. You understand? So I quickly ran to buy one yesterday. I wanted to buy two at once. But look at what Ten Trade did. Very, very wrong. This their law is not favorable at all. And again, profit split is what? 70%. You get if you out of 100% of any profit you made, you get 70%, they'll get 30%. Commission dey there. Commission still dey there. You understand? This is what is paining me most. um because I just want to risk this account. That is why I want to buy two before. I want to risk them. I want to, if I was planning that if I buy two, I will risk one kpatakpata. Let me know how the strategy is. Go full margin. I was even telling my friend that I can even use 0.1 sef. If you want to go, let it go. If you no go, go fine. So let me just assume that I use that 0.06. Today alone I would have made $152. This is paining me true. I record the call. Me and one of them we talk. Yes, in fact I called them, I disturbed them yesterday very very well. We talk yesterday. We talk yesterday. Still is still what they are explaining giving me. You understand? I will even the record I did yesterday, I'll let you guys hear it so that you hear for yourself. Not that I'm lying about something. So look at what they did. I would have just rest for this week, then go back again to check what the strategist is saying, the best time frame for it, the best um session, the best market session. Because of that 25 percent profit, profit, is it profit cap secure
Profit
maximum
come.
or something?
So what's the challenge exactly now?
What the challenge is that, what me understood from what we said in the morning is that I will not made more than 25 dollar if I want to place a trade on, if I want to place withdrawal in 15 trading days,
Hmm.
which is $25 in
In a
just
day on
1k.
1K account,
um
yes. I told you now, and if you can do that, you don't make more than $25 in a day. Any profit you make on that account, you can withdraw in 15 days, even if it's not up to $1. Do you understand?
Okay, like, okay, so now what you really mean is that, if that 25%, if I made it in a day, is a problem.
It's not like you cannot. When you say 20, that's $25, right?
um
If you make it in a day, if you're able to do that in a day and you don't make more than that, you are good to go.
I'm still good to go. What about I start in the next day and I take the account to, let me just say, $50 or more nko?
From maybe today you had $1,000, you did $1,025.
um
By tomorrow, and you take the account to $1,050, you have made another $25. You are good to go.
I'm
So
still good to
the
go.
way it's trading now, the whole idea is to grow the account.
Okay,
Just
so
ensure that at the end of the day, your profit when you had
receipt everything dey. Look at the receipt. I send him money of the account. Look at the receipt, and then after I send him the receipt, I bought that account through him. Then I told him that, okay, if I risk this one, if I risk the first one and it's not favored me, look at what is going to happen. Oh, then you will not have anyone again. Oh. That is what I told him, and then he agreed. And then we go ahead. We buy his own yesterday, and then I was down with something. I was not able to buy my own immediately. So I said, let me call these people before I can even buy the second one. That was when all this problem came. That was when all this problem came, and I stopped buying the second one. You understand? Because I don't know where I can be making 25% of that. Let me just make the calculation. Let me calculate this thing for you guys and see. Is 20, this is $1,000, right? $1,000, 10% of it is $100. Then out of this $100, you not made more than 25%. You not made more than 25%, which is $25. That is what they are saying. So now sef, and then this is just, don't give up. Oh, if you know that this is your calling to be succeed in life, just pursue it. And there is no difference between us and happy. We are all doing the same thing. If it is happy that got this opportunity at this place now, if it is happy that got this opportunity at that place now and go out at this place, he would have been made, he will make no less than up to $1 million today. I saw one of his trade and he enter like 3 position abi 4 position for 100 lot size, 100 lot. This is 100 lot, 100 lot, right? How much is he giving us? He's giving us 200 200 200,000 $255,900. $255,900. You understand? So now this thing now should be times this thing now to 3. Let's times this thing now to 3. Let's times it to 3. 2 255,900 times 3. Almost $1 million. Almost $1 million has been made today. You understand? So the differences here right now is account size. Then let me just say account size. If you can control your emotion, build something and control yourself very well, account size. I've been trading more than almost 4 years now, getting to 4 years now. I started trading 2023. You understand? So that is just the whole explanation concerning this. And right now,